Do you or someone you know suffer from panic attacks? In this video, we'll explore the causes and symptoms of panic attacks, as well as practical strategies for coping with and preventing them. You'll learn how to recognize the signs of a panic attack and how to use breathing techniques and mindfulness to manage the intense emotions that come with it. Whether you're a first-time sufferer or have been dealing with panic attacks for years, this video will provide you with valuable insights and tools to help you take control of your anxiety and live a more peaceful life. Dealing with panic attacks can be a frightening experience. Panic attacks are sudden surges of intense fear, anxiety, or discomfort that can come on without warning. They can happen to anyone and can cause a range of physical and emotional symptoms, such as sweating, racing heart, trembling, and a feeling of impending doom. If you experience panic attacks, know that you're not alone, and there are things you can do to manage them. The first step in dealing with panic attacks is to recognize the symptoms. Panic attacks often come on suddenly and can last anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. Symptoms may include a rapid heartbeat, shortness of breath, sweating, dizziness, and a feeling of intense fear or dread. Sometimes people experience physical sensations that feel like a heart attack, which can lead to further anxiety and panic. Once you recognize the symptoms of a panic attack, it's important to take steps to calm yourself down. Deep breathing exercises can be helpful in calming the body and reducing symptoms of anxiety. Practice slow, deep breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Focus on your breath and try to slow it down. Another technique that can be helpful in managing panic attacks is progressive muscle relaxation. This involves tensing and relaxing different muscle groups in your body to help reduce tension and promote relaxation. Start by tensing your toes. Hold for a few seconds and then release. Move up your body, tensing and relaxing each muscle group as you go. It's also important to challenge negative thoughts that may be contributing to your panic attacks. When we're experiencing anxiety, our minds can go into overdrive, coming up with worst-case scenarios and catastrophic thoughts. These thoughts can make the physical symptoms of a panic attack even worse. Practice challenging these thoughts by questioning their validity and coming up with more realistic and positive thoughts to replace them. Together with these techniques, there are lifestyle changes that can help reduce the frequency and severity of panic attacks. Regular exercise is an effective way to manage anxiety and reduce stress. Try to aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Getting enough sleep is also important for managing anxiety and panic attacks. Lack of sleep can increase stress and exacerbate symptoms of anxiety. Try to establish a regular sleep schedule and practice good sleep hygiene, such as avoiding caffeine and electronics before bedtime. Another important aspect of managing panic attacks is seeking professional help. A therapist can help you identify triggers for your panic attacks and develop coping strategies. They may also recommend medication to help manage symptoms. Panic attacks can be a scary and overwhelming experience, but they can be manageable with the right techniques and support. By recognizing the symptoms, practicing calming techniques, challenging negative thoughts, making lifestyle changes, and seeking professional help, you can take control of your anxiety and live a more fulfilling life. Remember, you're not alone, and there's always help available. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.